Personal finance. It might sound boring or even intimidating, but trust me, it's about taking control of your life and your money. Whether you dream of owning a home, retiring early, or traveling the world, understanding personal finance is key. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive a car without knowing how to steer, right? Personal finance is the same. It's about learning the rules of the road so you can reach your destination. It's about making informed decisions about your income, expenses, savings, and investments. And the best part? It's never too late to start. No matter your age or income, mastering the basics of personal finance can empower you to achieve your financial goals. It's time to take the driver's seat and steer your financial future in the direction you want to go. The foundation of sound personal finance starts with a budget. A budget isn't about restricting your spending, it's about understanding where your money is going. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. Creating a budget is simpler than you think. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Note everything down, from your rent or mortgage payment to your daily coffee. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start allocating your money. A popular budgeting rule is the 50-30-20 rule. This suggests allocating 50% of your after-tax income to needs like housing, utilities, and groceries. 30% goes towards wants, such as entertainment and dining out. Finally, 20% is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. Remember, budgeting is a flexible tool. Adjust the percentages to fit your circumstances and priorities. The key is to find what works best for you and stick to it. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. That's where saving comes in. Saving isn't just about reaching a specific goal, it's about creating a financial cushion for unexpected events. An emergency fund is crucial. This is money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses, such as a medical bill or car repair. Aim to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Setting savings goals is equally important. Whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or simply a comfortable retirement, having a specific goal in mind can keep you motivated. Start small and be consistent. Even setting aside a small amount each week can add up over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Consider automating your savings by setting up regular transfers to a separate savings account. Section 4. Escaping the debt trap. Strategies for management. Debt is a fact of life for many, but it's crucial to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a student loan or a mortgage, can help you build your future. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can trap you in a cycle of payments. Managing debt effectively is vital for financial well-being. Start by creating a list of all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. Then, consider different debt repayment strategies. The avalanche method focuses on paying down high-interest debt first, which can save you money on interest charges in the long run. The snowball method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off the smallest debts first to gain momentum and stay motivated. Explore options like debt consolidation or balance transfers to potentially lower your interest rates. Most importantly, be proactive in managing your debt to avoid falling deeper into the red. Section 5. Investing for Tomorrow, a beginner's guide. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. The key is to start early and stay invested for the long term. For beginners, retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs are a great place to start. These accounts offer tax advantages and allow your money to grow tax-deferred. Diversification is another important concept. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Dollar cost averaging is a simple yet effective strategy for long-term investing. It involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. This approach helps to reduce the impact of market volatility and can lead to long-term growth. Section 6. The power of compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. That's compound interest in action. It's the concept of earning interest on your interest, leading to exponential growth over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small contributions made consistently over time can grow significantly over the long term. Think of compound interest as your financial superhero, working tirelessly behind the scenes to grow your wealth. The longer you give it to work its magic, the more impressive the results will be. Section 7. Take charge of your finances. Mastering the basics of personal finance is a journey, not a destination. It's about making informed decisions, staying disciplined, and adapting your approach as your circumstances change. Remember, budgeting, saving, debt management, and investing are all interconnected pieces of the financial puzzle. By understanding and implementing these principles, you're taking control of your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial professionals when needed. The power to achieve your financial dreams is within your reach.